What up, guys? This is MMA King 505. I got a second box for you guys. I believe metal. First box was okay. Wasn't too bad, but oh well.
Ortiz 188.
Gotta cut it with the buck knife, man. That was it. Hopefully we get like a red parallel number 5 or 101. Something nice.
And there's the last pick of the
By Pierce.
Bigfoot Silva Gear Auto.
Darren Elkins.
Matt Wyman to 88.
John McDixie. Chad Mendes. Dominic Cruz. Nickname.
Hey, John Jones
And for the champ,
to 75.
Alistair Overeem.
Him and GSP did 75. Did anybody else? Ned Gov 125.
Dominic Cruz at a 50. There we go. What I was waiting for. Had a red. It's Fabricio Verdum. 5 of 5.
I can't drive.
Alright, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Please check out buymmmacars.com. So I'll be breaking a case of Knockout next. I don't think I'm gonna make a video though, but we'll see how it goes. Alright, later.